I am having so much fun learning my air fryer, and one of the first things I had to make was fried pickles. We had the Famous Dave's hot and sweet pickles, I think, or sweet and spicy pickles from Costco that we love to munch on, but I had to take them to the air fryer. My kids are all very excited to bust into these with me, and now you can see how we made them. I am using the Famous Dave Signature Spicy Pickle Chips, but you could literally do this with any single pickle that you wanted. The first thing that you do, whether you are deep frying pickles or adding them to the air fryer, you're going to do the same step. You want to get all of the excess juice off because you want the batter and the coating to actually stick to your pickles. So I have them in between two pieces of paper towel, single stacked, and I am just pressing to get all of the excess juice off. I promise it still tastes like a pickle even if you don't have extra juice. And I think there was about 24 or 25 here, just enough to fit in the bottom of my pan. And I have an egg, dill, and some pepper there, and I'm just going between plain old flour, then the egg and dill, and some bread coating. I brought the Great Value brand plain. I didn't use Italian seasoning or anything, and I didn't add anything to it, so I'm just going again between the flour, egg, bread coating, flour, egg, bread coating, and then I am sticking them on a cookie sheet. This allows any excess stuff to drip off because in the air fryer there is no oil to catch it, of course. It's just going to sink to the bottom, and letting it sit for a second just allows it to drip. So that is what I'm doing here, one by one. I actually really like this part of frying, making my stuff and getting it all situated. I think it's fun to coat it. The part that I have never liked about frying is putting it into hot oil and having it splatter on me. So that has been really fun with the air fryer, just kind of experimenting on things that I normally would fry. I am coating each side with a little bit of my olive oil in a can. So I am going on both sides. You saw me flip them and doing it again. My air fryer had been preheated for just a few minutes at 400 degrees. And I added everything into the basket, and here I am setting it to 400 for 8 minutes. 4 minutes was halfway in, and I just decided to flip them. Flipping allows for an even crunch on both sides, and it's really easy. Some things in the air fryer you just shake the basket, but I wanted to flip these because when they're single stacked like that, shaking doesn't really do much. And I'm getting our sauces ready. I have the Sweet Baby Ray's secret sauce. This is really good for fried foods, and ranch is good for everything. So I have 2 little cups ready to go, and after 4 more minutes, I am just getting them out onto the plate.
What are they?
They're fried pickles, buddy.
No.
Cal, my 2-year-old, was cracking me up at that part. We all gobbled these up. They were so delicious. I definitely will be making them again soon. And the funny thing was, my son was following me around like a hungry puppy waiting for these to be done, and he ended up shoving like 6 of the last ones in his mouth and saying to his sister, "No more for you!" So I used the secret sauce from Sweet Baby Ray's and just the Aldi Garden Valley, I think, ranch. I like these dipped in ranch better. I think the spicy and sweet both go with the ranch, and the other one, it's actually still pretty good, but the ranch is better. But if you don't have an air fryer, get one just to make these. I love fried pickles. It's something I never make because it ruins the taste of your oil. It just tastes like pickle afterwards, so you can't use it to fry something else. So I only make fried pickles when I have oil that needs to be thrown out, so then that'll be the last use of it. But these are amazing. They're so easy, and I would love to make these on, not like a weekly basis, but a pretty regular basis. Let me know if you have an air fryer and if you've ever made fried pickles, or if you have any tips. But thank you so much for watching my video. My neighbor's still mowing his lawn, and I needed to film this before they were cold, so you get to hear him. But I hope you stick around for future videos. I do grocery hauls, budget meals, what's for dinner, lots of different food things, and I cook for my family on a regular basis, and that's what I'm sharing with you. I hope you stick around as a subscriber. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.